Hi my dearest WP Glovers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to bring your static PDF to life and how to turn your PDF magazines, journals, and brochures into an interactive flipbook. And all this will be done using FlowPaper app. So, stay tuned. FlowPaper is a responsive digital publishing app that has the most comprehensible set of page-turning animations. FlowPaper's Flipbook Maker is optimized for magazines, brochures, journals, catalogs, and other high-quality print publications. In today's video, we will mainly refer to the most frequently used page-turning styles and how to make use of them using FlowPaper. So, stay tuned. First things first, let's see how the FlowPaper app allows the creation of realistic flipbooks on the web and which features and highlights it has to offer. As you can see on the demo of FlowPaper, it really makes PDF files into a realistic experience, and you can do so with your PDF files following the simple 3-step procedure. First, you need to get FlowPaper Publisher app or web app and import your PDF file onto it. Then you need to customize your flipbook according to your brand coloring, your brand messaging, change the background, add some interactive elements, animation styles, and many more. And thirdly, you can publish and share your flipbook on your own server or website, upload it to FlowPaper cloud hosting, or share it on social media platforms. So, recapping FlowPaper's main features, we can surely state that this app has all the features that one might expect from PDF viewer or Flipbook Maker solution. First, it offers full customization and including HTML code customization, which puts no boundaries on your flipbook customization. Second, it is shareable, so you can share it anywhere online. You can share on your website, on your server, on social media platforms, or on FlowPaper server. And thirdly, it offers hand gestures such as zoom, pinch, and pen, which are important for the people to offer them a high quality experience. So now let's together dwell on the most frequently used page turning styles and animations and see how to insert them onto your PDF file. So, the first page-turning animation is the classical one. This page-turning animation uses CSS3 code and it is actually the most frequently used animation by the users. It is not bad by any means, but also it is pretty vanilla. It offers some interactive features such as interactive page corners that you can drag and the ability to zoom in and out. These features make it rather realistic. Its advantages are first that it is super fast and it doesn't affect on the speed of your PDF file anyway. Second, its pages are optimized with great text sharpness, so texts are meticulously detailed. And its only disadvantage is that it is not that realistic as it should be in case of flipbooks, but anyway, it holds some sense of being realistic. Second, page-turning style is the accelerated 3D animation. This animation style uses the latest page-turning functionalities and highlights to make the page transitions look as realistic as possible. It uses a combination of CSS and WebGL to reach all browsers, even those browsers which don't have 3D support or card. So this animation is available in 3D even on mobile devices, so it is mobile friendly as well. So its main advantages are, first, it is fantastically realistic. It seems like you are holding the journal on your hands. Second, it downgrades gracefully if your device isn't 3D enabled. And the only disadvantage is that it doesn't offer text animations on your PDF file. Third animation style that we want to look at is landscape flip with text animations. So if in case of 3D accelerated we didn't have text animations, in this style, as the name already suggests, we have text animation. This flipbook is great for brochures and presentations that doesn't contain a huge amount of text, and where you want to add a bit of flair to the presentation. The text and image animations will start as soon as the viewer enters the page of your presentation, or be it a brochure or any other type of publication. And its advantages are, first of all, it is super fast. It has amazing text sharpness. You can combine text and image animation together with a flip effect. Only disadvantage is that it has the more harder page flip animation and doesn't have that 3D effect as we had in case of Zine 3D accelerated style. And the fourth animation style is the from top to bottom animation style. This page turner animation changes things around by letting the users browse from the top to the bottom instead of left to right. This template is another great choice for turning your PDF files into interactive flipbooks, brochures, or presentations and landscape publications. Its advantage is that it is super fast, it doesn't affect the speed, it has the hand gestures like zoom in and out. The only disadvantage is that it is again not that realistic. So, having discussed the most frequently used animation styles, let's see how to turn your PDF file into a flipbook using one of these animations. Let's choose the accelerated 3D animation because it was the most realistic one among all the styles. So first of all, you need to go to the FlowPaper Publisher web app or download the app onto your computer. Then you need to select the PDF file. Then in order to go on with the accelerated 3D animation, you need to choose a Zine template and choose realistic 3D. As you can already see, our PDF file has already changed into a realistic flipbook, and you can fully customize it, as we have mentioned, to suit your brand messaging and coloring. You can change background image and browse it from your computer, change background color, set gradient colors for your background, change the size of the arrow for your flipbook, and many other customizations. And you can also have a preview of your flipbook on different devices, on desktop, preview of it on tablet, on mobile landscape, to see how it works and how it appears on different devices. And that's much. You can already publish it. And that was much about FlowPaper. As you can see, this app allows you to really bring your PDF files to life and turn them into realistic journals, magazines, and brochures, and thus raise your customer experience in another way. And that was much for today. So see you soon in our next video. Bye!